And I'm back again with another CPN Tradeline. It's your boy CPN SHAWTY coming to you tonight with a horrifying but also knowledgeable tip about trade lines, CPNs. You don't want to lose your money, so let's resurrect this one. I'm gonna try to make sure you guys understand what you shouldn't and should be doing when you are getting trade lines, okay? Now this can apply to anything, but we're gonna use this specifically for a CPN because CPN SHAWTY sticks with his content, okay? And I have people that comment all the time, so go ahead and smash that like, go ahead and comment. Let me know you're feeling this content, this information I'm giving you. Because if you're not, we're still gonna talk about it, but let's go. As you can see, trade lines is a dirty game. It's a scary game. I've talked to people and had clients who, had all type of horror stories about trade lines they purchased from companies, especially Facebook companies that the people went ghost on them. The good thing about my people that I'm putting you in contact with, like CPN Generator and a few other companies, they actually give you a guarantee that your trade line is gonna post or you get your money back. It's that simple. They've been around for over 5 years. I've been rocking with them, never had a problem. These other companies, we're gonna be talking about those companies here, the horror stories that companies like that do. They'll run off with your money. They'll add you to a line where, it's less than a year old or it's less than $300 on a limit. Those two are horrible factors. If you ever get an account, try to get on an account that's over 2 years old. That's what you want. You want that age on a trade line. And a trade line is something that actually boosts up your credit. It actually shows the creditors that you have history and payment history and things of that nature. So make sure you get trade lines also that have a high limit. Anything above really 10,000, but 5,000 would do too. So try to stick in that range, 5 to 10,000 and above. You want to get trade lines in that area. Okay, you don't want to end up like some of these people who have horror stories where people on Instagram and Facebook took their money, ran off because, they didn't know what they were doing. Number one thing, make sure you know the company you're going with, whether it's CPN Generator, a company that's trusted, or it's a company like Wholesale Trade Lines and, they used to be good until they got shut down. It's other companies, but make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure they have a policy where you'll get your money back if the trade line doesn't post. And most trade lines only hit one account or two, okay? They only hit Equifax, TransUnion, or Experian. They don't hit all three. However, there are trade lines, and I'm gonna give you guys a tip, so stay tuned to the end. There are trade lines that will actually post to all three credit bureaus, okay? Now, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Make sure you click that link and go to CPN Generator. They have all the trade lines and they actually show you which ones hit which credit bureau. That's important because if you're trying to get a house or you're trying to get a car or you're trying to get a credit card and you Google what credit bureaus does Capital One pull from, you want a trade line that hits that bureau so Capital One will see it. What good is a trade line if it doesn't show on the bureau that the creditor you're going for is looking at? It doesn't make that much sense, but people won't give you that game. But CPN SHAWTY is giving you the game. All right, so stay locked in. If you blink, you're gonna miss it. I'm back again with another CPN video. Go ahead and smash that like, share this, and comment below so I'll know what video to make next. And until next time, CPN Shawty out.